Now we come to how it affects us. I'm talking about education industry. This is the first consequence. What do you mean by higher education? Higher education means those people who go for the graduation and above that. Secondary education ends at 12th standard. After 12th, what you do is known as higher education. Less people will go for a graduation. This was there 50 years back, maybe 40 years back. After 11th standard, at that time it was matric. After 11th standard, people used to take up a job somewhere. Or they used to learn typing, shorthand and take up a job. Very few people were doing for graduation because higher education facilities were not there everywhere in India. In the last 40 years, higher education industries increased. There are colleges at every nook and corner, all even tier 2, tier 3 cities, colleges came up. So flow for the higher education increased. Now the higher education is going to decline. Number of people going for higher education will definitely decline because of two reasons. Number one, parents won't have a disposable income. Number two, there will be need in the family for a child to go for a higher service. They have to take up a job somewhere. Bhai, ghar ka income kam ho gaya to aap kuch kaam karo. That will be the requirement. Many universities have gone online. If I talk about again my figures, things like IIT Delhi, Delhi University, Lucknow University, D.Y. Patil Vidyapeeth, all they have started online courses. If I recollect one report recently, in a world, more than 100 universities have planned their online courses. You should understand what is coming to you. More than 100 universities all over the world, all foreign reputed universities are thinking of going online. Even in Mumbai, some colleges, I heard Jai Hind and Terna colleges have started online. Some big school chains like Vibgyor and Poddar also started online. So many universities are going for online. Automatically, we have to look at, we the coaching class owners have to look at it from that particular angle. We cannot ignore these facts, friends. This is more important. This threat, no one has taken into account. Very few coaching classes have taken into account this particular thing. This I'm repeatedly saying. In fact, 2 years back, one leading number one industrial group invested 500 crores in a startup which has a model for online assessment. So online assessment and online examination will be the rule of the law. Without that, no university, no college can function. Because social distancing is going to be the norm. Without social distancing, nothing will happen. So in such cases, government won't have any option but to go for online assessment. Already some exams have started online. This year, अभी जो डिस्प्यूट चल रहा है बंबई में, फाइनल एग्जाम, यूनिवर्सिटी एग्जाम, एक अथॉरिटी ने बोला लेना चाहिए, दूसरे अथॉरिटी ने बोला कैंसिल करो, तो इसका वाया मीडिया कैसे निकलेगा? वाया मीडिया यही होगा कि भाई फाइनल एग्जाम जो बच्चों का फिजिकली ले नहीं सकते, तो कम से कम ऑनलाइन ले लो. And this will become the norm. So we have to remember, if exam is going to be the online, and it will be online because day by day it will be impossible for any authority to conduct the exam of lakhs of students, conduct the supervision, check the papers, declare the result. This is a voluminous work. It will be impossible for them to conduct the exam unless they go for online. These three are going to be the major effects on coaching class industry. And now I come to, first I talked about the whole world, then I talked about the industry, then I talked about education industry, and then I'm talking about coaching industry. We are coaching industry. In fact, you must admit that we came into existence or we survived because school and colleges failed to deliver. School and colleges failed to deliver the content. स्कूल और कॉलेजेस में ठीक तरह से पढ़ाया नहीं गया. क्यों पढ़ाया नहीं गया ये अलग बात है, लेकिन स्कूल एंड कॉलेजेस में ठीक तरह से पढ़ाया नहीं गया, सो कोचिंग क्लासेस आ गए. कोचिंग क्लासेस अगेन लास्ट 50 साल का इंडस्ट्री है ये. इट वाज नॉट देयर 50 years बैक. लास्ट 50 years दिस इज द इंडस्ट्री. नाउ स्कूल कॉलेजेस आर नॉट गोइंग टू डिलीवर. In fact, major problem will be for the school colleges. हमसे ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम स्कूल कॉलेजेस का होने वाला है. So we are dependent on school colleges. So naturally, school colleges will affect. We will be affecting. But these are the other factors which I am talking about: change in the students' behavior, change in the parents' behavior, and change in the teachers' behavior. Again, I repeat the morning incident with my granddaughter. After 1 hour's monitoring session or instructions, not 1 hour, half an hour it was, she came to me and I asked her, "Ho gaya sab?" She said, "Ho gaya." I told her, "Bhai, ye to school nahi tha tumhara." She was like, "Nahi, it was school only." So I asked her, "Have you seen your friends?" So she said, "No, friends ko nahi dekha." To friends ko milo. I told her, "Bhai, meet your friends." She said, "No, I will be meeting the friends only after Corona goes." So my granddaughter, age 6 years, says that she will be meeting her friends only after this coronavirus goes away. This is a change in the students' behavior. Students or children are not going to shake hands with the others. Children are not going to mingle with others. Children are not going to join the hand. They are not going to come together. They are not going to go to the park. They are not going to go to the theater. They are not going to go to the restaurant. And definitely they will not come to the coaching center also. Remember, we are not, as a parent, you may not be sending your children to a common place. In that case, student coming to a coaching center, sitting together, will be difficult, especially in an urban area. Rules may be different in a rural area, but because rural area, the population is known to everyone. We are knowing each other. Urban area, unknown people come in our contact daily. Parents' behavior also is changing, definitely, because change in the children's behavior is because of change in the parents' behavior, parents' instruction. Remember, no one is right, no one is wrong. No one is wrong here. Everyone is right. Sorry, I will say, put it this way. Everyone is right. No one is wrong. Because unless you maintain social distancing, you are not going to overcome this particular challenge. And again, a point which you may not have taken into account, our teachers, our staff also may not be willing to come to the class, to come to the classroom and teach. Because they will also have a fear in their mind कि हमको कुछ हो गया तो चलो कमाने का छोड़ दो, लाइफ तो सेव करो, कम कमाओ, let me earn less but let me survive. Earlier, teacher used to be eager to take the workload. कहीं पे बोलो भाई यहाँ जाना है, मद्रास जाना है, चेन्नई जाना है, कलकत्ता जाना है, जबलपुर जाना है, जयपुर जाना है, जाके लेक्चर ले लो, लेके आते, पैसा कमाते. That thing will not be there. People will be afraid of. So teachers are not going to come forward to move. Teachers are not going to go to the different places. Children are not going to come together. Parents will not allow their children to go to the classes. And this is going to affect us. And again, I'm repeating, nothing unusual in this. This is going to happen. And this always happens. I will give you a simple example. When we go to the barber for hair cutting or for a shave, barber uses a new blade for shaving or for hair cutting. but this was not there earlier. पहले ऐसा नहीं था. Earlier, every barber used to have his special razor. उसको खानदानी आता था. बाप अपने जाने के बाद बेटे को रेजर देके जाता था, भाई मैंने इससे किया, तुम भी इससे करो. So barbers used to have razor. Now they are using blades. Why? This started after scare of AIDS. When people were afraid of AIDS, they were not using the razor which was used by one person. Again, it was used by the second person. So automatically, barbers stopped that particular practice and they started using the disposable blades. Same thing happened with the injection syringe. Disposable syringe came into the picture because of those particular AIDS scare. These are the changes due to the